Hey, what's up? It's Jasmine Chanel. Thanks for tuning in to another YouTube channel. If you are subscribed to my channel, then you know that I recently uploaded a video unpacking my Sunpack 18-inch ring light that I got from Best Buy. I'm actually using a shout out to that ring light in that video. If you're interested, check it out. It's right here. I'm unboxing that ring light that comes with the microphone. But for this one, I will be unboxing the KitchenAid 4.5 tilt head mixer. I'm pretty pumped about this because of course I would like to expedite the cooking and baking process. I'm most excited to use it for mashed potatoes and chocolate chip cookies. It comes with 3 accessories, so I'll show you. Just for basic mixing, but you can of course order more in attachables to make like a pasta mixer, chopper, a zucchini cutter. So it's pretty versatile, but for this I just got the classic edition. You can get the professional 600 series for about $500 on Best Buy, but I just went with the basic because I don't need all that. And of course it comes in a variety of colors, and some of those colors are more expensive. Like I really like the red. That one was that was $100 more, so I ended up getting the black one because black, you can never go wrong with black. Let's open this box together, and so you know what to expect if you are considering ordering this. I will be making some chocolate chip cookies in another video.